Whether you are an entrepreneur, shopkeeper, solopreneur, or a businessman looking to boost sales and take business globally through an online marketplace, you are at the right place. Welcome to the Scratch Card SR. Commonly, it has been observed that the audience gets attracted when they receive exciting offers and maximum discount coupons. Vendors can build their own websites relating to their businesses using the Scratch Card SR platform. They can log into the website after registering and add information to the portal in accordance with their business needs. Moreover, they can select the theme, payment methods, add products, client information, and many other aspects. Moreover, an individual can share their coupons on every social media platform as well as via text message. This can help a vendor increase its brand awareness and avail many exciting offers that can increase the product reach. By scratching those Scratch Card SR coupons, the customers can redeem them by visiting the offline and online stores. Here are the list of main features of Scratch Card SR. Dashboard. The Scratch Card SR provides the dashboard where vendors can see various details related to products, customers, numbers of cards created, total numbers of winners, and many more. Customise Template. The business owners have three options. They will be able to customize the theme according to their business needs. Even he or she can also change the desired landing page by clicking on a custom button. Add customers. The next comes is customers. The vendors can add the customers' details to whom they want to share the Scratch Card coupons. That consists of the details like customer's name, email ID, contact number, and address. As a result, the vendors obtain a huge database, allowing the business owner to reach a large number of consumers. Add product details. The vendors can add the product from the backend as per their business requirements. They add the product image, name, and product description. Manage Scratch Cards. The vendors can manage the cards by adding the product details, customer name, and game type. The vendors can add new cards and when they need. Even the game type contains two types of game where a vendor can decide the number of cards to send. First, vendors can add minimum 3 products. This option will allow the user to play the whole card. Second, vendors need to add minimum 6 products. This option will allow the user to play just one line in the card. Billing. The vendors will purchase the suitable plan for Scratch Cards and share the links to the targeted audience through various media such as social media channels, SMS, emails, etc. You can register for Scratch Card SR, or for more details you can contact our expert.